Hello, how y'all doing? Good, I hope. Well, this is gonna be my first video. I think I'm gonna start making some videos here because I make things out of wood and metal. So this is July 8th, 2026. Yeah, I thought I'd show you around a little bit, show you some of my tools that I got that I ain't been here, I ain't made it that long, maybe a year and a half or so. And I got most of this stuff on Marketplace or something, you know, and garage sales. Tell you get a lot of good stuff in garage sales. So thought I'd show you a little bit some of those tools that I got on Marketplace, how cheap they are. That's what helped me get started, because I ain't rich. So let me show you some stuff. Okay, here's I'm working on this guitar. It's a Gibson. Stained it black cherry. Here's a saw. I give $30 for it on a Marketplace. It's like brand new. It's got a plastic cart, wheels, lock wheels. It's got a big cord, about probably 20 feet long. And that thing works like new, and it's all plastic, so it won't rust. I gave $1 for this thing at a yard sale last week. That thing works great. It's an old Sears. Here's some I made. I made a few of these and sold some. Here's some things I make. Sold some of these. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, I sold a couple of these neck crosses and stuff. Here's some of these rings I make. It's all off cedar. Shoot, it's hard to figure this camera out. Okay, there they are. See, I glued 3 together. So I did here too. It's harder to tell on this one because this one's not quite as wide. And here's something else I made out here. This cross. Put Jesus on it. Here's something I made for my dad's ashes. Guy's ashes in there. Cool little cedar box. You know, I think it's pretty cool. That neat. Here's a mini bike I made out of metal and out of bolts and nuts and screws and stuff. Same here, nuts and bolts and metal from an old stove I cut up and used metal for everything. Oh, that thing's heavy too. I made a shepherd because I got a big shepherd, and I made a little dog because I got a little dog. Call her Crazy Gracie because she's a nut. And I kind of like keep my tools kind of closed because I don't really make nothing very big, you know. I make usually small stuff, you know. Like I saw, see, I said about Marketplace, I get $20 for that on Marketplace on this saw, you know. This is like brand new. This thing is, that thing's awesome. Got light with it and everything. And this come with it too, this nice vise, you know. And $65 on Marketplace. It's like brand new. Can't beat it. Oh yeah, I got this. I love this little welder here. I got that at Temu. I think like $80. I think it might be cheaper now. That thing works great. It's a wire welder. And like TIG welder, I guess, whatever, stick welder. It's both of them, but I use a wire. Yeah, and here's a vise I got on Temu for $20, I think it was. And then I bought a belt sander and I put it on the vise, and now it makes it a lot easier to do this than using hand tool, you know, like the same here. So using it by your hand, I put on that vise and, you know, oh my God, it's so much easier. Okay, here's something I'm working on right now. This truck. There's gonna be the headlights I'm gonna put on. The other ones are the turn signals, and I'm gonna paint the grill. I'm gonna paint that chrome. They like my scoop. I got sunroof. Oh, there's my buddies and my dog in the back. Here's Spider-Man. He's my hero. Look at that. Put a seat, made a seat in there. Steering wheel shifter. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Yeah, sucker shines on it. There's a shifter in it. I put cup holders. I made a toolbox out of cedar. Made some exhaust. I'm going to paint the bumper chrome and the exhaust chrome, I believe. And it says Harvey back there, but I'm sanding that down. I got to redo it. It's sand it down, redo something back there, fix it up. Yeah. Oh, now here's something I was wanting to show you. See, I made these little things out of a dowel rod. That's what I use to keep the wheels on. See, I made 4 of them. You know that. You know. Yeah, I gotta put these 2 on here. You know. Yeah. These ones don't look too bad, but I take these ones. Yeah, these need to sand it down a little bit. They're too dark. See? Yeah, you can tell. Okay. Here we go. I think there's my I use this thing. A lathe. It's my lathe. I made a few canes with this. I got this thing here. I'm gonna see what I can make out of these, because I ain't done it in a while. I'm gonna just kind of practice on again. I got a few tools here, you know, I need sometimes, you know. Oh, I got all kinds of little tools, you know. I tell you what, garage sales and stuff, that's where I get all my stuff. Or Walmart, if I really needed something bad, you know, I might go to Walmart and get something cheap there. But yeah. I don't know what I told you. I got this thing for $3. Oh, I think I did say that, didn't I? Yeah, okay. Well, anyways, air compressor is nice, little air compressor, and a little vac, you know, vacuum, wet vac. That's in a computer. It's pretty nice having that, because you can see the weather, whatever, and like if you want to make something, you know, you can get on YouTube there and learn how to make something, stuff like that. So, okay, I'm proud to be an American. Hope you all are too. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and hope you all enjoy. And if you do, please come back. Thank you. Peace out.